Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by selecting the right site and preparing the soil. Choose a sunny spot or bright filtered light because palms need steady light to establish. Next, mix a fast-draining medium, half potting soil, 1/3 coarse sand, 1/5 perlite, to prevent waterlogging and root rot. Once mixed, loosen the planting area to about 30 to 45 centimeters deep so roots penetrate easily, and make a shallow basin to direct water toward the root ball for the first 4-6 weeks. Now you place the palm in its hole with the top of the root ball slightly above grade. This prevents crown rot. Backfill gently, firming soil in layers to eliminate large air pockets, and water deeply until excess drains. This settles soil and hydrates roots. Once done, apply 5 to 7 centimeters of mulch, keeping it away from the trunk to reduce pests and moisture buildup, and stake the palm only if wind is strong. Stakes help while roots establish, but remove after 6-12 months. Finish by setting a maintenance routine. Water 2 to 3 times weekly at first, then taper to weekly as roots spread because overwatering and underwatering both show through fronds. Fertilize with a slow-release palm formula 3 to 4 times per year to supply magnesium and potassium. This prevents yellowing and tip browning. If problems arise, yellowing, wilting, or stunted growth, check drainage and soil salinity, inspect roots for rot, and adjust irrigation. If needed, repot or improve drainage to correct the issue quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.